For the green artificial mat, we have ordered it through Amazon and it has come now. Let us get into the unboxing. Friends, you have seen the artificial mat unwrapping and we have also shown you some sample shots using it. Here afterwards, for some product shoots, we will be using this mat. Share the video with your friends and family members and kindly ask them to subscribe to our channel. And please do follow us on the social media platform. Thank you.
Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification.